copy activity. So this copy activity is going to copy the from source system to target system. So here my source is SQL Server. I have the multiple tables. This tables information which is presented the metadata. Here I am trying to copy this all tables into the ADLS Gen 2. Okay. Here I just take the copy activity. Here we have the source and SIG. In source part, I just create the data set parameters because the reason is I'm going to copy the multiple tables, right? So for copying the data from multiple tables from source to destination, here we are going to create the data set parameters. Okay, sync part also I just create the data set parameters. So here I'm going to copy the data from Azure SQL to the blob storage. So we need data sets for source and sinks because here we are talking about the multiple tables. So while handling the multiple data from source to destination, we need to depend upon the data set parameters. Okay, data set parameters is very, very important while moving the data.